Hi there. Well, today we're going to go exploring to see if we can find a Twinkie tree. Have you ever heard of a Twinkie tree? You're going to see what one looks like today. I hope we can find one. Are you ready for our adventure? Lace up those boots. Follow me. Always look both ways before you cross the path. Looks like it's clear. Let's go. We're looking for a special kind of tree. Ooh, I think we're getting close. Look, I found some pink berries. Oftentimes, you will find the Twinkie trees near the pink berry bushes. I think that means we're getting close. Let's keep looking. I think I see a Twinkie tree up ahead. But we have to be quiet and we have to sneak up on it, because if animals hear us, they might get to the Twinkie tree before we do. So let's go. I think I saw an animal. Okay, I think we're in the clear now. Yes, we found a Twinkie tree. Look. So, we found our first Twinkie. This is a good Twinkie tree. I see lots of Twinkies on it, but they're not quite ready to eat because they're still on the wrapper. Anytime you find a Twinkie tree with the Twinkies still in the wrapper, it means they're not ripe yet. You can't eat them until they pop out of the wrapper. Once they get big enough, they will expand and pop out of the wrapper. That means they're ready to eat. So these aren't ready to eat yet. But let's see if we can find a Twinkie that's ready to eat. Let's go around this way. Come on. Be very careful so a stick doesn't poke you in the eye. Owie, that would hurt. Oh, look. Look, we found one. We found this Twinkie. This is a ripe Twinkie ready to eat. It doesn't have the wrapper anymore, so that means we can pick it and we can eat it. Let's see how it tastes. This is the perfect time of year for Twinkie trees. Ooh, see all the juiciness? That's white juiciness. Let's have a taste and see. That's a pretty good Twinkie. That's my first Twinkie of the season. That was pretty neat.